Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you Job Finder, Job Search Engine Affiliate Script. This is our admin panel. We can see admin, visit site, then logout button. This is admin panel. We can login setting, then main site setting, so URL, website title, add this ID, contact from email, website theme. We can select, then affiliate ID, default to local, then search result, then show job search, SEO meta setting, translator setting, search form, search page, footer link, then update button. Can visit main site, home, future, about, theme, preview. Okay, then scroll. If you want this software, check out link in the description below. Thank you.